Well, that's one way of making these clamps tight. Well, that's one way of making these clamps tight. I was trying to torque that knot as much as I could, even if it strips the threads. I don't care. These clamps are just silly, really. Well, if it holds, that's okay, at least for now. If anything, I'll just weld this up, weld these two sections together, and just completely remove the clamp. And I will have a more of a tighter seal here. This thing drips. That's one problem. Well, yeah, it was dripping. The condensation on a cold start. This was dripping here, and it was dripping in the on the next section. On the end of the next section, where it connects to the next section. So yeah, these are not that good as far as clamping pipes together goes.